Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Welcome back to Thirsty Thursdays, everybody. I got a Hennessy Mule. Three ingredients. Ginger beer, Hennessy, and lime juice. So easy, everybody. All right, so you can see in the taller glass, it's layered. All right, in the highball glass. But here we have a shooter. So I'm going to put the beer, I'm going to put the Hennessy, and the lime juice. So it's going to mix up in here, which is, it's the same taste. It just looks different. So the shooters are okay. But you do it in that bigger glass, you do want it to look layered like that when you serve it, because it's quite pretty that way. All right, easy drink. Y'all can see I'm going to list those three ingredients in the description box down below with the amounts. If you haven't hit like and subscribe, do so now. And again, I say welcome back to my Thirsty Thursdays. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.